Shamika, rhyme time, A16 up in this house. You learn with Robert Def Major, yes, I shout you out. Official Jamie, yeah, and you here to show some love. Emotional, so I'm over here, I'm showing love. With the Eddie Garden, yeah, oh yes, I talk about you. I bring it to every day, oh yes, I see you too. Thrive and glow with Joe, I say, oh yes, that is her name. Yes, I'm over here today, I'm here to say they name. Shatika Woods, I say, oh, what you do? The coach of GTV, oh, yes, I see, oh, what you do? So jumpy adventure, I say, oh, yes, we holding up. So Kendall Wilkinson, you know I'm here to shout you up. So Mimi Bear, the Jacob Cosby, Jason Ski, I say. Some other people's in this house, oh, yes, it's what I say. The son of Hope and Fatima, oh yes, they are their names. But still, I'm over here today. Oh yes, I like that name. Said Sherman, give the rhyme time A16, I want to say. So you learn with Robert, the death made up in here, I say. So official, the Jamie, your emotion news. So, well, with the Eddie Garden, yeah, I want to see you grow. So I to bring it every day. I thrive and with the glow the with that show that say I really want some more. Shatika with the Coachy TV Jumpy Adventure. So Kendall Wilkinson, the Mimi girl, I'm seeing ya. But still I say these names today. I put it in their order. But still I'm over here. But some of the people want to for ya. I say these names of what the people up in my house. So now I say your name and I'm here to shout you out. So Mimi Bear, the John, the Cosby, Jason Ski, I say. So Shonda, Howie, Fatima, I'm saying that hi today. I'm saying that hi to you 17 people I see. So now I put it up, I take a paw for AIC. But still I say your name one time, the 2 times where's that third? I'm over here today, but still this what I heard. I say the names today, oh with a beat. So let me go and down there, let me go and move my feet. Shamika, rhyme time 816, oh what's that name? So you learn with Robert Def Majors in the house today. So official, the Jamie, your emotion new, so say. But still I'm over here, I'm showing love, but hear my way. So will the Eddie Garden get that I bring it now? I bring it every day, I see the how you getting down. So thrive and glow with Joe with more, but still I come for you. I want to come for you and shout you out because it's true. But Shatika, the woods I say, yes I'm holding in. So Coachy TV over here, I say you once again. I said it once, I say it's right, but 3 so sound so good. But still I'm over here, but still I'm not misunderstood. So John P. Avenger, the Kendall Wilkinson, the Mimi Bear, I'm over here, oh yes, we come again. The Jacob Cosby, Jason Steve, I'm here to say the name. The Sean, the Hope, and Fatima, we deep up in that game. I said it 3 times with a line, I said it with some flow. I'm singing over here your name, I'm thanking you for show. So thanking you for coming by, I'm here to say it out. So now I'm talking about, you know, so what this all about. I say your name, and yes, your name, I say it 3 times. Oh, now I'm not that Jenny, but still I want to rhyme. So when I say your name today, I say it with some love. I'm over here today, you know I'm spreading virtual hugs, that's what's up.